Honorable MLA.
Very good morning to you. I thought that I should be speaking directly to you, and that is why this video message, which is being sent to your office. I am going to be discussing about a very important issue that is ailing not our all the states but also nation as a whole. The youth in our nation is finding it difficult to get fruitful employment, and majority of them are just waiting for the government jobs. Whereas the dichotomy exists that our infrastructure construction industry requires about 12.5 crore young persons who should be there. They may be men, women, or even the transgenders, sir. And what we are committed at CIDC, the organization that I represent, and let me also share with you about CIDC. Construction Industry Development Council was set up 3 decades ago by the Government of India Planning Commission, and with the support and involvement of 4 of our core infrastructure ministries, many PSUs, and all the sectors which relate to infrastructure construction. The objective of the council was basically not only to look into the kind of making our industry very efficient, we also have to make sure that employment generation in the country should definitely be enhanced. You are aware that after agriculture, it is only the construction which is the largest employer of our people. And in that context, I had to make a request to you to kindly direct your senior officers to get in touch with us. There are a number of programs that we are conducting in various states now. We are also helping various state governments to basically accomplish their objectives. I see no reason why we should not spread it throughout the country, and that's the reason why I called you, sir. We are going to be taking this and making sure that our youth gets value added employment and they also become good citizens. The issue does not merely stop there. It basically goes beyond the boundaries of the country. We are looking at a huge export of services market, services in construction industry. There are many geographical regions which now need reconstruction. And as the most populous country on the earth, we are looking at our young persons to go there and rebuild the whole thing and bring prosperity to the nation. I am absolutely confident, looking at your progressive actions that you have taken in your state, that you are going to take a proactive action on that. I will always be available for any assistance and support. My contact details are given at the end of this video, and which can be circulated to your senior officers, especially the heads of various works department. We are really looking forward to build our nation and bring prosperity to our people. Thank you so much for listening to me patiently. May God bless us all. Jai Hind.